Dancehall recording artist Skillibeng hits the studio with international recording superstar DJ Khaled. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break with the full details. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So dancehall recording artist Skillibeng, who has been described by many as a rising star, on Wednesday hit the studio with We The Best producer DJ Khaled. In several Instagram posts on Wednesday, Khaled, who has been very open about his love for dancehall music and Jamaica, treated the crocodile teeth artist to lunch before hitting the studio. So while in the company of DJ Khaled, the Jamaican recording international superstar Skillibeng was treated to escovitch fish, patty, jerk chicken, oxtail, and curried goat. It is also stated that the chef said that he wanted to give him a part of the Jamaican culture and a taste of home.
We wanted to give you a taste of your home, and we hope we do well. Just a little bit of escovitch fish, some patties, jerk chicken, we got some oxtails, we got some curried goat, lobster, shrimp, some colossal shrimp, crab, the spicy beef.
What kind of fish is that?
Oh, the fish? Snapper.
All right. Make yourself at home. Nobody be shy.
Oh, any allergies or no?
You know what I'm saying?
Perfect, guys. Please enjoy.
And listen.
Having released his 5-track EP Mr. Universe earlier this month, very little was revealed in the Instagram post about the St. Thomas native studio session with the American producer DJ Khaled. However, DJ Khaled did say in the caption that he was in album mode. For one of the clips shared by DJ Khaled, Skilly is seen in front of a microphone. There was no audio for the video clip, but DJ Khaled captioned it, "Skilly going crazy in here." The fast-rising dancehall superstar, whose real name is Emwa Warmington, is signed to Eastside and RCA Record, is set to release a studio album sometime this summer.
Pull up the where the air horn at? Where the air horn at, Mark? Pull up the pull up. Billy and Skilly. Hard. Breaks my heart. They ain't believing us. Skilly did. Skilly did. Skilly did. Believing us. God did. Drake did.
Skillibeng also has some shows scheduled for June in the United States. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.